Once upon a time in a magical forest, there lived a kind squirrel named Sam. One sunny day, as Sam was gathering acorns, he stumbled upon an injured bird lying on the ground. Instead of ignoring the bird, Sam decided to help. With gentle paws, Sam carefully tended to the bird's hurt wing. He brought the bird food and water every day, making sure it was comfortable and safe. Slowly but surely, the bird began to heal. One day, the bird was finally able to flap its wings and fly again. Overjoyed and grateful, the bird promised Sam that it would always be there to help him whenever he needed it. Time passed, and the forest was a happy place. But one day, a terrible storm blew through the forest. The winds were strong and the rain was heavy. When the storm finally ended, Sam's home was destroyed. Feeling sad and worried, Sam didn't know what to do, but then the bird saw Sam's trouble and remembered the kindness Sam had shown it. The bird quickly flew off to gather its friends. Together, a flock of birds came to Sam's rescue. They worked tirelessly, using their beaks and claws to help rebuild Sam's home. The birds flew back and forth, carrying twigs and leaves to create a new cozy nest for Sam. Sam watched with tears of joy in his eyes as his new home was built. He was so grateful to the bird and its friends for their incredible kindness and teamwork. From that day on, Sam and the bird were the best of friends. They always helped each other and showed the entire forest the power of kindness and teamwork. Whenever someone needed a hand, Sam and the bird were there, spreading joy and compassion wherever they went. So remember, kids, just like Sam and the bird, a small act of kindness can create a lifelong friendship. And when we help each other, we can overcome any challenge. The end.